Viewing your bookings on My Diethelm online booking is easy. Once you are logged in, click on the Bookings tab on the menu bar and click on List Bookings on a submenu. You will then see a list of bookings you've made through the online booking. This list can be filtered using the search form above. Click the booking name for any booking to view its detail. When viewing a booking, you can click the name of the hotel to see its detail in a pop-up window. After closing a pop-up window, you can see the booking details by clicking any of the details links next to the service line. A booking summary document and pro forma invoice for the booking can also be downloaded in a PDF form. If you want to cancel a booking, simply contact us and our team will assist you with booking cancellation. Please note that cancellation policy will be applied. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at sales@diethelmtravel.com.